我相信在良政善治的时代能够推动。
I believe at a time of good governance, there could be more and better policies to solve the deep-seated problems facing Hong Kong. The new executive-legislative relation that I am working on is different from that of any previous eras in policymaking, particularly the early years. The new relationship enables legislative council members from any party to share their ideas and opinions with the government and public. So when a policy is launched, it has already taken into account public opinions. After the return of Hong Kong to China, we wasted a lot of unnecessary time in internal frictions and got stuck in the deep-seated problems. Now we must seize this time of good governance to let the Hong Kong SAR government lead Hong Kong. And as a political party, we will unite all sections of society, get into the communities, and solve these problems together.